Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're a new cat parent or considering adopting a kitten, you won't want to miss this video on how to take care of a kitten. It's important to provide proper care to ensure your kitten grows into a happy, healthy cat. In this video, we'll cover everything from feeding and grooming to playtime and medical care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on raising your feline companion. Let's get started. Feeding your kittens require a specialized diet that's rich in protein and fat to support their growth and development. You can find specially formulated kitten food at your local pet store or online. Make sure to read the label and choose a high-quality brand that lists meat as the first ingredient. Avoid food that contains byproducts or fillers. It's best to feed your kitten small meals throughout the day rather than 1 or 2 large meals. This will help prevent them from overeating and aid in digestion. Follow the feeding guidelines on the package, but keep in mind that every kitten is different, and you may need to adjust the amount depending on your kitten's activity level and weight. Provide your kitten with fresh, clean water at all times. You can use a bowl or a fountain, but make sure to clean it regularly to prevent bacteria growth. Avoid feeding your kitten human food, as it can cause gastrointestinal upset or even toxicity. Some common human foods that are toxic to cats include chocolate, onions, garlic, and grapes. Grooming your kitten. Regular grooming will help keep your kitten's coat shiny and healthy, as well as reduce shedding and prevent hairballs. Use a soft bristled brush or a comb to gently groom your kitten, starting at the head and working your way down to the tail. Be gentle around sensitive areas like the face, ears, and belly. If your kitten has long hair, they may require more frequent grooming to prevent mats and tangles. Use a wide-toothed comb or a slicker brush to remove any knots or tangles. You can also use a pair of scissors to carefully trim any hair that's too long or matted. Trim your kitten's nails regularly to prevent them from getting too long and causing discomfort. Use a pair of small, sharp scissors or a nail clipper designed for cats. Be careful not to cut the quick, which is the pink part of the nail that contains blood vessels and nerves. Bathing your kitten is not usually necessary, as cats are fastidious groomers and can clean themselves. However, if your kitten gets into something sticky or smelly, you can give them a bath with a mild kitten-specific shampoo. Make sure to rinse thoroughly and dry them off with a towel. Playtime and exercise. Kittens are naturally curious and playful, so it's important to provide them with plenty of toys and playtime to keep them mentally and physically stimulated. Kittens love to explore and climb, so provide them with a variety of toys that encourage these behaviors, such as tunnels, scratching posts, and perches. Interactive play is also important for kittens, as it helps them develop their coordination and social skills. You can play with your kitten using toys like a feather wand or a laser pointer. Just make sure to supervise them during playtime and avoid any toys that could be a choking hazard. It's also important to provide your kitten with plenty of exercise to keep them healthy and prevent obesity. Encourage them to play and run around by creating a safe, stimulating environment for them to explore. Medical care. Regular veterinary care is essential for your kitten's health and well-being. Take your kitten to the vet for regular checkups and vaccinations. Kittens require a series of vaccinations to protect them from common diseases, so make sure to follow your vet's recommended schedule. If you notice any signs of illness or injury, such as vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, or a loss of appetite, don't hesitate to take your kitten to the vet immediately. Kittens are more vulnerable to certain illnesses and infections, so it's important to seek medical attention as soon as possible to prevent complications. Socialization. Socialization is also an important part of raising a kitten. Kittens need to learn how to interact with other cats and humans to become well-adjusted adults. You can help socialize your kitten by exposing them to different environments, people, and animals. Introduce your kitten to new experiences gradually and in a positive way. Start with short periods of exposure and gradually increase the duration as your kitten becomes more comfortable. Use treats and positive reinforcement to reward good behavior and help your kitten associate new experiences with positive outcomes. Training your kitten can also help prevent behavior problems and create a strong bond between you and your pet. Basic commands like sit and stay can be taught using positive reinforcement training methods. Use treats and praise to reward good behavior and avoid punishment or negative reinforcement. You can also train your kitten to use a litter box. Place the litter box in a quiet, easily accessible location and show your kitten where it is. If your kitten has an accident outside of the litter box, Don't punish them, but gently place them in the box and praise them when they use it correctly. Conclusion: taking care of a kitten requires time, patience, and dedication, but the rewards are immeasurable. By following these tips on feeding, grooming, playtime, medical care, socialization, and training, you can help your kitten grow into a happy, healthy, well-adjusted adult cat. Remember to give your kitten plenty of love and attention, and enjoy the journey of raising a feline companion.